Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Kelly's online classes. Continuation our discussion on industrial location in list cost theory of Alfred Weber. In previous classes, we completed introduction, assumptions, and three factors are directly influencing on industrial location and localization according to Alfred Weber. There are three factors such as transport costs, labor costs, and agglomerative and deglomerative forces are local factors. In previous class, we completed transport costs problems and transport cost concept in Weber theory. And today we are moving to next factor is labor costs. See, according to Alfred Weber, the second and the last of general reasonable factors of production, factors of location, so is the labor cost. Labor cost, a firm attracted to a location other than the list transport cost location. If the savings in labor costs for unit of output are greater than the extra transport cost per unit. According to Alfred Weber has comparing transport cost and labor costs. If labor costs for unit of output is greater than transport cost, the industry or firm will be shifting his firm to list transport cost to labor costs location. Because the labor cost is very important for earning the profit by per. Therefore, the main ambition of firms or industries are minimization of costs and maximization of profit and sales. Therefore, the Alfred Weber considered to study three factors: transport costs and labor costs. See, labor costs location, where there is a availability of abundant level of cheap wage laborers is very favorable condition to the industrial location and localization. See, the labor wage index prepared by Alfred Weber and comparing list transport costs to labor index cost. So, if either transport cost or labor cost, which is most advantage to industrial location, that region or location will be chosen by the industrialist. Therefore, the Weber has concentration. If for unit, if the savings in labor costs for unit of output are greater than list transport costs for unit, the firm will be shifting list transport cost to list labor costs location. See, the Weber concentrate a place which is cheap laborers are availability. In the boundary of the country, frontier of the country, where there is availability of sufficient and cheap wage rate laborers, that place will be chosen by industries. And that divert the factory from the list transport location. If cheap cheap rate of laborers are available when comparing list transport cost to labor cost location, transport cost location and labor cost location. The Alfred Weber has comparing the result from list transport cost and labor cost location. Where is cheap, where is high rate of transport cost, where is high rate of labor cost. So in which is minimum, which is lowest, so which is lowest and which is very suitable to location industries, that place will be chosen by industrialist and firms. So because the cheap rate of laborers and skillful laborers, efficient laborers and availability of fixed labor location will be concentration by the firms to industrial location and localization. See whether the labor cost location and transport cost location, so which is favorable, which is compatible to him, so that location will be selected by the firms to industrial location. Therefore Alfred Weber is, if comparing transport cost to labor cost, if labor cost is greater than transport cost, see the firm should be shifting list transport cost location to labor cost location immediately, because of the prime aim of firms minimization of cost and maximization of profit. Therefore all industries are desiring to locate at a particular place of location, because of cheap rate of laborers available. And so he was analyzed through isodopants. See according to Alfred Weber, so analyzing labor costs location through isotopen diagram. See the isotopen diagram here, the three circles, the first circle, second circle and third circle. Here we are measuring $1, $2 and $3, the cost of transport, the cost of transport and cost of laborers. See T is list transport cost location and L is so cheap labor cost location. See I told you, if the savings in labor costs for unit of output are greater than the extra transport cost for unit, the firm should be shifting T to L. See from list transport cost to L cheap labor cost location. See the Weber concentrate applies and which is cheap as that divert the battery from the list transport location. See here the within the $2, within $2 it is so favorable condition to the firm, because of the cost of laborers and cost of transport. See within the triangle of within the circle of isodopants. So therefore see the list transport costs location, so shifting to labor costs location. So according to Alfred Weber, so because of if T the list transport cost is higher than the cheap labor comparing the transport cost and labor cost. If labor cost for unit of output is greater than the list transport cost, the firm or factory should be shifting their location from T to L. So let me stop. We shall continue.